Hey, why is Memorial Day weekend the perfect time to find your dream home here in Granby, Connecticut? Well, as we honor our heroes this Memorial Day weekend, it's also an ideal moment to explore the charming town of Granby, Connecticut, and discover your perfect home. Here's why now is a great time to dive into the Granby real estate market. Well, there's strong market growth. Granby's housing market has shown impressive growth, with the average home value reaching $463,000, a 4.9% increase over the past year. In April 2025, the median sold price was $460,000. This upward trend indicates a robust and appreciating market, making it a smart time to invest. Diverse inventory available. Currently, there are 33 homes for sale in Granby, offering a variety of options to suit different preferences. Whether you're looking for a cozy starter home or a spacious family residence, Granby's market has something for everyone. Quick sales reflect high demand. Homes in Granby are selling faster than ever, with properties spending an average of just 19 days on the market compared to 42 last year. This rapid turnover highlights the town's desirability and the urgency for buyers to act swiftly. Quality of life in Granby. Well, beyond the numbers, Granby offers a serene lifestyle with its picturesque landscapes, excellent schools, and a strong sense of community. It's a place where you can enjoy both tranquility and convenience, making it an attractive location for families, individuals alike. This Memorial Day weekend, take the opportunity to explore what Granby has to offer. With a thriving market and a welcoming community, your dream home might be just a visit away. Don't miss out on the chance to make Granby your new